Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Privacy and Security so you control which apps see photos. Next, choose Photos to reveal every app that requested access. This shows why access matters. Some apps need full library for features, others only need selected items. Once done, you may be prompted for your Apple ID passcode or Face ID to confirm changes, so have that ready. This first step ensures you modify the actual privacy entries rather than app-specific settings. You now change each app's permission. Tap an app in the Photos list and pick None, Selected Photos, or All Photos depending on the app's need. Selected Photos limits access to only images you choose, which preserves privacy while keeping functionality. Make sure to use Add Photos only when available. This prevents apps from reading your library but still allows saving. Once you pick images, verify the app still functions. If a feature breaks, temporarily grant broader access while troubleshooting. Finish by testing the apps you changed so you confirm they can access the images they need. If an app behaves oddly, restart it, reinstall the app, or reboot your iPhone. These quick actions clear temporary permission caches. If problems persist, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone and reset location and privacy to reprompt all permission dialogues. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Make sure to regrant access carefully, because resetting affects all privacy choices at once.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.